You should learn Spanish.
Italian.
No, Spanish.
Or Italian.
Spanish.
Time to choose. Who do you love more?
You have questions, we have answers. This is Dear Duolingo.
Welcome back to another episode of Dear Duolingo, where we answer real questions from real learners. I'm your host, Parker Henry, language teacher extraordinaire and senior learning designer here at Duolingo. Let's take a look at this week's question.
Dear Duolingo, can you learn 2 different languages at the same time, or does that slow down your progress?
If you've started learning one language, chances are you've probably been eyeing another. And you may be wondering if you can study 2 at once. Let's talk about what that takes and how to do it right. The short answer? Yes, you absolutely can learn 2 languages at once. But it's going to take some more planning and more time, a lot more time. Your brain was made for language learning, including multiple language learning. But input and organization matter a lot. Let's say you were studying Spanish for 30 minutes a day and you decide you want to add Italian. You can't just split that time in half and study 15 minutes of each. If you want to see the same amount of progress in both languages, you need to at least double your study time. So here are some tips you can use to learn 2 languages at once. Set realistic goals. How much time do you really have to dedicate to both languages? And is now the right time to be studying 2 languages at once? Study in different contexts. Maybe you study Spanish in the morning and Italian at night. Study in one language more intensely at first. And this can sometimes be an easy choice. If you have a trip to Italy coming up, you might want to focus on Italian more. Compare and contrast both languages. Really take a beat to reflect on your learning. Think about what words are the same in both languages and what words might be false friends. Really immerse yourself when you have the opportunity. For example, you could go into Spanish mode by listening to Spanish podcasts. And finally, you can practice one language through the other. You might want to make double-sided flashcards so you can study both languages at once. And on Duolingo, it's easy. Just tap the flag icon on the top corner of your screen and select a new course. You can learn as many languages as you want for free. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Dear Duolingo. Join us next time where we'll answer more learner questions from viewers like you. And if you have a question for us, you can email us at dearduolingo@duolingo.com or leave it in the comments below. Hasta pronto!